Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, where English becomes exciting. Today, you're not just watching a video, you're stepping into a new reality. If you listen carefully, this could be the moment that changes your life forever. I'm here to tell you something that no one else will tell you, something that could ignite a fire in your soul. Let me ask you a question. Are you happy with your life right now? If you died tomorrow, would you be proud of what you've achieved? If your answer is no, then this is your wake-up call. Because let me tell you, your life isn't going to change by accident. It's not going to improve by luck. The life you want will only come when you decide to change it. Stop living in excuses. You've been making excuses for too long. I'm too young. I'm too old. I don't have money. I don't have time. Let me tell you something. Excuses are nothing but lies you tell yourself to avoid taking responsibility. Do you know why most people fail? It's not because they're unlucky. It's not because they're not smart enough. It's because they don't take action. They sit around complaining about their problems instead of solving them. Do you think successful people had it easy? Let me give you an example. Oprah Winfrey was born into poverty and faced unimaginable hardships. She was told she wouldn't make it, but she didn't listen. She worked hard, stayed focused, and became one of the most influential people in the world. Now, what's stopping you? Nothing but your own mindset. Imagine the life you could have. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. You wake up in the morning in a beautiful home, the home of your dreams. You look outside and there's a luxury car parked in your driveway. Your parents are smiling because they know they don't have to worry about anything anymore. You've taken care of them. You've given them the life they deserve, the life they dreamed of for you when they worked hard every single day to provide for you. Now open your eyes. Does this feel impossible? It's not. This life is achievable, but it requires one thing: your commitment to change. Your habits shape your future. Let me be brutally honest with you. Your habits are either making you or breaking you. If you spend hours every day watching Netflix, scrolling through Instagram, or playing video games, you are literally throwing your future away. Time is the most valuable resource you have. Every second you waste is a second you'll never get back. Do you know what separates successful people from unsuccessful ones? Successful people use their time wisely. They read books, learn new skills, and work on their dreams while everyone else is wasting time. Think about your parents for a moment. Your mother carried you in her womb for 9 months. She sacrificed her sleep, her health, and her dreams to give you life. Your father worked day and night to put food on the table, to give you an education, and to make sure you had a chance to succeed. And now, it's your turn. What are you doing to give back to them? Don't you want to see them happy? Don't you want to give them the life they've always dreamed of? Imagine the look on your mother's face when you hand her the keys to her dream house. Imagine the tears in your father's eyes when you tell him he doesn't have to work another day because you've got it covered. This isn't just about money. It's about giving them peace, happiness, and the pride of knowing their child made it. Success requires sacrifice. Let me tell you something you don't want to hear. Success isn't easy. It requires sacrifice. It means waking up early when you'd rather sleep in. It means working on your goals when your friends are out partying. It means saying no to distractions and yes to hard work. There's a story about a young man who wanted to be successful. He went to a wise mentor and asked, "How can I achieve success?" The mentor took him to the beach, walked him into the water, and held his head under the surface. The man struggled to breathe and finally came up gasping for air. The mentor said, "When you want success as badly as you wanted to breathe, then you'll be successful. Ask yourself, how badly do you want it? Surround yourself with winners. Look at the people around you. Are they lifting you up or dragging you down? If your friends are negative, lazy, or unmotivated, guess what? You'll become just like them." Success isn't just about hard work. It's about the environment you create for yourself. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and push you to be better. And if that means cutting off toxic friends, so be it. Your future is more important than their opinions. Believe in yourself. Here's the most important thing I'll tell you today. You have to believe in yourself. Nobody else is going to do it for you. The world is full of doubters, haters, and critics. They'll tell you you're not good enough, not smart enough, not capable enough. Prove them wrong. Believe in your potential. Believe that you can achieve anything you set your mind to, because the truth is, you can. Let me tell you something about failure. It's not the end. It's the beginning. Every successful person you admire has failed more times than you can imagine. Michael Jordan, one of the greatest basketball players of all time, was cut from his high school basketball team. Did he give up? No. He worked harder, practiced longer, and became a legend. Failure is a lesson. It's a stepping stone. Embrace it, learn from it, and keep moving forward. Take time for yourself. The world is loud. Social media, deadlines, responsibilities, they all scream for your attention. But when was the last time you sat in silence and asked yourself, what do I really want? Take time for yourself. Spend a few minutes every day in complete silence. Meditate, reflect, or simply breathe. This is not a waste of time. This is how you recharge your mind. Because if you don't prioritize yourself, who will? And during this time, talk to yourself. Yes, you heard me. Talk to yourself. Tell yourself, I am amazing. I am worth it. I am capable of achieving great things. Reprogram your mind. Your mind is like a garden. Whatever you plant in it grows. If you plant doubt, negativity, and fear, your life will reflect that. But if you plant confidence, positivity, and belief, you'll grow a life full of possibilities. Say it with me. I am the best. I am unstoppable. I can achieve anything I want in life. Write these affirmations down and repeat them every single day. It might feel silly at first, but trust me, your mind believes what you tell it. So stop feeding it with I can't and start feeding it with I can. Visualize your dream life. Close your eyes and imagine your dream life in detail. Picture yourself in your dream job, earning the money you've always wanted. See yourself walking into your own house, built with your hard work. Feel the happiness of marrying the person you love and traveling the world together. Now open your eyes and realize this. Every great achievement begins in the mind. If you can visualize it, you can achieve it. But visualization alone isn't enough. You have to take action. Control your mind. Control your life. Your mind is a powerful tool, but if you don't control it, it will control you. Think about it. How often do negative thoughts take over your day? Thoughts like, I'm not good enough, I'll never succeed, or what if I fail? The next time these thoughts come up, stop and say, no, I'm in control. I decide what I think and I choose positivity. Your mind is like a muscle. The more you train it to focus on positivity and solutions, the stronger it gets. Let me tell you something you need to hear right now. You are amazing. You have everything you need to succeed within you. The only thing missing is your belief in yourself. Do you want a good job? Yes, you can get it. Do you want to marry the love of your life? Yes, you can. Do you want to build a house, travel the world, and live your dreams? Yes, you can do all of that. The only person stopping you is you. So get out of your own way. Start believing that you deserve success, happiness, and everything you've ever dreamed of. Start small. Dream big. Big dreams can feel overwhelming. But let me tell you a secret. Success doesn't come all at once. It comes one small step at a time. Want to get fit? Start with 10 minutes of exercise a day. Want to improve your English? Learn 5 new words a day. Want to save money? Start with $10 a week. These small actions might not seem like much, but they add up over time. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Be your own cheerleader. Stop waiting for others to motivate you. Stop expecting people to believe in you more than you believe in yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and say, I am proud of myself. I am working hard, and I'm getting better every day. I can do this. You don't need anyone's approval to chase your dreams. Be your own biggest supporter. Find people who inspire you. Listen to motivational speakers. Read inspiring books, and follow people who have achieved the things you want to achieve. The more you surround yourself with positivity, the more you'll grow. Think about Thomas Edison. He failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. When asked about it, he said, I didn't fail 1,000 times. The light bulb was an invention with 1,000 steps. Ask yourself every night, what did I do today to get closer to my goals? What can I do better tomorrow? And then follow through, because consistency is the key to success. In the middle of chasing your dreams, don't forget to be grateful for what you already have. Gratitude changes your mindset. It reminds you of how far you've come and gives you the strength to keep going. Every morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be your family, your health, or simply the fact that you're alive and have another chance to chase your dreams. All right, let's go all in. This is it, the final piece. If you've made it this far, I know you're serious about elevating your life. This is the moment where everything changes. Listen carefully, because the words I'm about to share with you are meant to wake you up, shake you, and set you on fire with a new purpose. Stop settling for average. Why do we accept average life, average effort, average results? Let me ask you, are you here to live an ordinary life? Or are you here to create something extraordinary? Think about this. Every single day, you have the choice to settle for less or to demand more of yourself. Don't just get by, aim to excel. Stop saying, this is good enough. Say, this is just the beginning. There's nothing wrong with dreaming big. You want the best car, the best house, the best relationships, go after it. People may laugh at your ambitions, but remember, those who laugh now will applaud later. If you want something great, you have to give something up. Let's be honest. How many hours do you waste gossiping with people who don't add value to your life? Cut it out. Replace it with things that elevate you. Read books that expand your mind. Work on your skills until you're the best. Spend time learning, growing, and evolving. Your life is a reflection of the decisions you make every day. From the moment you wake up, you are choosing who you want to become. Are you making decisions that bring you closer to your dreams? Or are you sabotaging yourself? Make a promise to yourself today. Choose growth over comfort. Choose discipline over laziness. And choose courage over fear. You think you're giving your best? Think again. You're capable of so much more. Every time you feel like giving up, push a little harder. When you think, I can't, force yourself to say, yes, I can. Here's the truth. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. If it doesn't scare you, it's not big enough. Take risks. Try new things. Dare to fail spectacularly. Because even in failure, you're ahead of everyone who never tried. And remember, if you're the smartest or most motivated person in your group, you're in the wrong group. Seek out people who inspire you, challenge you, and make you uncomfortable with staying the same. The clock is ticking. Let's get real, you don't have forever. Stop living like you have unlimited time. Every second you waste is gone forever. Imagine you're on your deathbed. Will you look back and regret the chances you didn't take? Start living like your time matters. Because it does. You're not too young, and you're not too old. Stop waiting for the perfect time, because it doesn't exist. The perfect time is now. You see successful people and think they're lucky. No, they're not. They worked for it. They sacrificed for it. And you can too. Start asking yourself, why not me? Why can't you be the next great entrepreneur? Why can't you have the life of your dreams? Why can't you inspire millions? Stop doubting yourself. If others can do it, so can you. Here's something most people don't realize. You are not defined by your past. It doesn't matter where you come from, how much money you have, or what mistakes you've made. Your potential is limitless. Every day is a new opportunity to reinvent yourself. You don't have to be the person you were yesterday. You can be stronger, smarter, and better. All it takes is the decision to grow. Stop blaming others for your problems, your boss, your parents, your circumstances. They don't control your destiny. You do. Take full responsibility for where you are right now, and take ownership of where you're going. No excuses, no complaining, just action. Let your success speak for itself. While others are busy talking, you're busy working. Keep your head down, stay focused, and don't worry about proving anything to anyone. The results will do the talking. Remember, the lion doesn't turn around when the small dogs bark. Every small victory matters. Did you wake up early? Celebrate. Did you complete a task on your to-do list? Celebrate. Success is built on small wins that add up over time. Every step forward is progress. Acknowledge it and keep going. Here's a final challenge. Make this personal. Don't just listen to these words and move on. Write down what you're going to do differently starting today. What habits will you change? What goals will you set? You have one life, one shot. Don't waste it. Dream big, work hard, and never settle for anything less than extraordinary. The world is waiting for you to rise, to shine, and to inspire others with your story. The life you want is waiting for you, but you have to take the first step. Stop making excuses. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start today. Work hard, stay focused, and never give up. The journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. Now go out there and make it happen. You are unstoppable.